Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS News for Thursday, June 9. Local businesses are being urged to seize opportunities to expand their market reach to Costa Rica. The call comes from Prime Minister Andrew Holness and follows recent bilateral talks with President Luis Guillermo Solis.
President Solis invited Jamaicans to participate in their trade exhibition, which is to be held in Costa Rica in September 2016, in order that Jamaica can identify possible ways of increasing trades in goods and a variety of manufactured products in an effort to address our negative trade balance with Costa Rica.
The Prime Minister and President Solis also agreed to increase trade relations and technical cooperation in the areas of medical supplies and technology, agriculture, security and tourism. In the meantime, Jamaica and Cuba have committed to increase language training, giving more Jamaicans the opportunity to be fluent in Spanish.
The truth is that Cuba will need to rapidly make English their official second language, and Jamaica will rapidly need to make Spanish our official second language.
A multi-destination tourism agreement was also signed with Cuba.
We acknowledge the importance of working together expeditiously to facilitate the movement of people through the region to support multi-destination tourism in the Caribbean.
And Cuba and Jamaica will be sharing expertise and best practices on tackling the potential threat of climate change and rising sea levels on the region.
President Castro offered to provide experts to provide advanced data gathering, modeling, and projections for mitigation and the definition of appropriate responses by the state.
Prime Minister Holness was updating Parliament on Tuesday about his participation in last weekend's 7th summit of the Association of Caribbean States held in Cuba. Operations recently got underway at the Long Pond Sugar Factory, rescuing the livelihoods of over 230 farmers and 130 workers in the factory. It's the result of government's intervention to keep the factory operational for the 2016-2017 crop year, while the Long Pond owners search for new investors and other revenue streams. Agriculture Minister Carl Samuda told Parliament on Tuesday that $180 million allocated in the previous administration for transportation support had been diverted to repair the factory.
We are currently in the process of rescuing 70,000 tons of cane, while honoring a commitment to supply 45,000 tons to Worthy Park to give them additional throughput to make their factory more profitable.
He said government's temporary operations of the factory had resulted in the milling of 4,550 tons of cane and the production of 307 tons of sugar. A memorandum of understanding will be signed on Friday for a comprehensive transitional living program for children in state care. While making his contribution to the sectoral debate on Wednesday, Youth State Minister Floyd Green said it was being implemented to improve the living conditions for young people leaving residential care at age 18.
The project will also facilitate the creation of a safe and appropriate transitional living facility for 40 females right here in Kingston who, upon leaving state care, have nowhere to go. The initial scope of the program has also been expanded to build a transitional home for boys in Southfield, St. Elizabeth.
The program is being executed by the University of the West Indies through the Caribbean Child Development Center in partnership with the Child Development Agency. And finally, more young people are being encouraged to become creators, innovators, and owners of intellectual property instead of being only users and consumers of technology.
And whether you're going to own your businesses, because we need some Fortune 500 companies in Jamaica, we need 80% of you to go to university. We need all of you to be fully trained and certified and equipped so you can tackle all the challenges that the 21st century will throw at you.
The Education Minister was speaking recently at the inaugural Success Rally for Teens in Kingston. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thanks for watching.